be nice. Being nice to people, simple manners, please, thank you, being grateful, just be nice to people.
I've got a series on YouTube. It's called 5 Things Producers Need to Know. You could give me your 5 things from your side.
5 things producers need to know.
Yep. And this is completely open. Like, some people have gone heavy on production. Some people have gone heavy on promotions. It's wide.
Okay.
Number 1.
Know your worth, but don't sell yourself short. So that's kind of like what we spoke about before. Like, do all the gigs, know your worth, but don't get above your station before you've made it. I mean, just don't get above your station in general.
And you're all down for the kind of playing for free and just kind of playing for petrol and just to build artists, build brand.
Mate, we've all been there. Andy's the same. He used to run around in a little van selling records out the back. He used to play gigs for free. He'd asked to come back to shows and play for free. You know, it's part of the process of getting yourself out there and you know, showing that you love this stuff no matter what. I mean, obviously there comes a point when you will get paid and you don't want to people start taking the piss out of you. But when you're starting out, do shit for free. Get out there. So yeah, know your worth.
Number 2.
To be nice. Being nice to people, simple manners, please, thank you, being grateful, just be nice to people because it will benefit you in the long run. There's been so many shows where I've been to and, you know, being nice to people, they want you back because you're nice to deal with, you're easy to deal with. So yeah, that's definitely a top tip. Just be nice. Don't be an arsehole. Don't be a dick. Don't be a dick. That's number 2. Don't be a dick. Number 3, when you send your demo, for the love of God, make sure that link is still live when you send it. Put your artist name first, the track title, your email after it on the file. It's not necessary really for the email part, but at least you ask, because, you know, I might find tracks, like them, download them, and then they'll sit in my inbox. And then the next session comes around, I'm liking more and downloading more. And then all of a sudden I've got 50, 100 tracks to go through. And then I've got one that's just called track 1 or track 2 WAV. And it's like, I can't put out a message on socials. Oh, who is it that sent me track 2? Like,
yeah.
So it's really, really important to make sure that you have your artist name, because then at least if you've got your artist name on there, I can go to SoundCloud and hopefully find you again. But, you know, email definitely helps.
Right, number 4.
Tip 4 for me is sort out your PRS and Spotify for artists.
Great. And then just so I can put it back in my video. Yeah, you can do that on my YouTube channel by watching the video. It's my heist video. 5.
And number 5 would be, this is a bit of a tricky one to explain, but it's basically, I kind of touched on this earlier. Tip 5 would be learn to take criticism from labels, like to be able to take, accept feedback. It's essential for me to be able to do my job is, you know, be able to bounce back off the artist and give them feedback. And, you know, essentially I'm trying to help the artist. And I know, like I've said before, it is difficult to accept that, you know, that I'm saying, oh, don't put this tune out. I know, I feel your pain because I want to put the tune out, but I don't want to put the tune out. It's not right. It's not ready. It's not 100%. It's not top quality. Like some stuff doesn't work. You don't have to put it out. This is what I have this with producers a lot. You don't have to put it out. You're going to do something even better, like better yourself. Like don't just chuck out average stuff. And, you know, you can tell sometimes because people they work on tunes and they'll just give me something like a day later and it's like, oh, I know you've literally just done that in a day. Like spend a bit more time, like hone your craft and make it really, really good. And so, yeah, number 5 would be to learn to take criticism on the chin.
And I guess that feeds back into number 2 that when they're taking that criticism, don't be a dick and be rude in the reply.
Exactly that. It's the full circle here. So don't be a dick. Learn to take the criticism.
Yeah. Don't get a criticising email and go fuck off in the reply.
Yeah.
Watch this video next for more tips for DJs and producers, and consider subscribing so you get these videos first. I have been Graham Farmer, and thanks for tuning in this week. See you next week. Bye-bye.